I'm in the ghetto. Ratatata. Ratatata.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Daisha, D to the A to the E S H I. And I'm back with another video for y'all. And today, if y'all see by the title, I'm going to be going to the worst reviewed hairstylist in my city. So I originally did this video already like a while back, and I think the video got over 20,000 views if I'm not wrong, which is great. And I was like looking at the views and I was like, I gotta do another video. Like, I did this video months ago, so I was like, I'm gonna do it again like once the video get old, because I don't want to just do the same video back to back to back. So I was giving it a few months and I'm gonna do this video again. So this time it's different around. She does come to you, and she's going to be coming to me today. She's actually going to be doing a wig install on me, which is very different because you guys know last time I did 2 braids, but today it's going to be a wig install. So we get a wig install, period. And yeah, so far communication was good. Everything was straight. So I'm thinking this is going to be actually a success. So yeah, before this video starts, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys once we get to the setup. Let me use the same part. Okay.
Oh, hell no!
Oh, junk. Are you okay? Is you okay? Yes, I'm fine. Oh. I had something to do today. Oh, what you had to do? Not this. Oh, okay. How long you been doing hair? When did I just start doing somebody else? Everybody's like, ooh, none. But it's been a couple years. Achoo! 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 I washed it and stuff, so your scalp ain't washed. Achoo! Shut up. Thank you.
Are you gonna get at them? Are you gonna...
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What you saying, yes, ma'am?
It's a closure wig.
What you mean?
I'm gonna have to do my whole forehead because it's a closure, not a frontal.
I'm in the ghetto. Ratatata. Ratatata.
You said do your whole forehead? Oh, right now.
This is my edges.
Nope. It's my edges.
What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that? Ah! What the fuck is that?
I don't think the closure like all the way on, cause
Your head lopsided. It ain't in the middle. It's okay. Girl, you like Beyonce. Yes.
Cause I'm ready to get the fuck ASAP after this shit.
Yes, model, yes. Period. Your price gonna be $321.
oh, the edge is not done.
Yes, they is. You want me to do some more?
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on. Okay. So, see, when you get tired of it, you can just do that.
Yes, ma'am. This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my god. I never had nobody do my hair like this.
Yeah, so your total gonna be $321. $321.
Okay.
Girl, you're like a Barbie, period. They need to freeze you and minimize you and put you in a packet. Yes, Beyonce.
So the lady just left. I don't even want to show y'all how bad my hair looks. When I tell y'all it looks a mess, my hair looks horrible. This is the worst somebody has ever done my hair before. Well, I think last time was worse. But I did pay her the money just because, you know, like, I'm not finna fight her like I fought the last person. But I'm gonna show y'all how my hair turned out. This is it. She didn't do any edges. She didn't even bring the wig all the way down. The wig is not even glued. I can easily like take this off, but like this really was a fail. And like I'm really proud because I just really paid her $300 to do my hair like this. God, oh my God, man, what the freak is this? Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So, this is the end of this video. And y'all see my hair, like my wig is not even on. It's not even on. So, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I'm really finna go cry, like for real finna go cry because this is crazy. Like, yeah, I'm so mad right now.